Hello everyone, it's raining outside and let's go and enjoy the rainy weather. So let's go. It's cold outside and I have to wear my coat. So just a minute. So I'm ready now and let's go outside. So I'm near to reach and it's not too much distance, but the view is very amazing. Down this place, this is Hunza Gojal. It's my village. So see the beautiful view, and it's almost the autumn is near. It's still raining here, and this is the beautiful view here. And I'm sure you're enjoying this view. Here, you look. The mountains are covered with cloud and it makes a beautiful view. So guys, how was the video? Give your feedback in comment, like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.